Oh, welcome. This is that nothing but kitchen. And yep, I'm Thane. So today I'm gonna do a whole chicken. Cause everybody keeps saying, can a whole chicken fit? Can a whole chicken fit? So I'm gonna do a whole chicken. So I came across this little cook in a bag that our local grocery store has had, and it's a whole chicken, and it's actually 3 pounds. So I'm gonna put that in there, and we're gonna see what happens. Here we go. Do this bad boy on air fryer. I'm doing it at air fryer 300, and we're gonna do it for 1 hour. Or will it let me go 1 hour? You know what? It won't let you go 1 hour. But I want to do air fryer. So we're going to do the 45 minutes, and we're going to see what happens. Oh. And this is what the chicken looks like when it comes out of the little bag. This is what it looks like. And it has like its own cooking bag on it. And from the instructions, it tells me to leave it in there. So I'm gonna leave it in there because this is supposed to be already pre-seasoned chicken inside of the bag. So I'm gonna leave it in there. It told me to cut 6 little half slits around the bag. I did that. And I'm gonna put it at the lower part because I'm sure this bag is gonna expand. So that way it won't burn up nothing. Cook it at 45 minutes. We're gonna see what happens. Might have to do a little more because on the air fryer side, it only allows you to go up to 45 minutes. So we'll see what happens. Check it out. While we wait for the chicken, I want to show y'all this little gadget I got. It's called the blending cup juicer. See, you put a little fruit in it and how it screws on top, and then it's supposed to screw it on top. And you turn it, and look, it's all charged by a USB cord, so you actually can fill this up and then go and let it blend. And just so you can see who I got it from, it's called Bingo Juicer Cup, Amazon. So I just got me some berries in there, blueberries, strawberries. Then I'm gonna add a little liquid to it, which I have some almond milk that I'm gonna use. And I'm being fancy because almond came out with this other kind that has a mixture of almonds and bananas. So I'm being a little fancy. I'm finna try that out. So you pour it in there. Like so. And then, see it's in there? Then you just press this button, hold it. Maybe I put too much. Ooh, strawberry stuck on the blender. Here we go. See how it starts? You can hear it. And you basically just shake it. It's a little bitty blaze, so you gotta have the fruit a little small. You can't have big chunks. And this is frozen fruit I use, so of course the big chunks gonna make it act wonky. So I should have chopped up the frozen chunks, but I was being lazy. just keep shaking it and get it all blended up like you need it. Look at that. See? Ooh. It's a pretty good little gadget when you're trying to watch for your little figure. And just keep shaking it till you get it all blended up good. And you can add spinach. I normally add spinach in here too, but I didn't have any. Let's see. I think a fruit got stuck. Nope. Fruit didn't get stuck. All right. So it's all mixed up, blended up real good. And then you take the top off. 1 second. You take the top off. See that? And you can just drink it straight out the container.
Is that vegetable juice?
Ooh.
Is that vegetable juice?
Almond milk tastes good with it. But there you have it. So, want a smoothie on the go? Get you one of these little juicer cups. And it charges up with a USB. Put your fruit in there and go. Come on. Somebody wants to say hi. He's done. And just to show you, see, it's easy to clean too. So after you finish, all you gotta do is just rinse it out real good. Let it sit and dry. Charge it back up again, and it's good to go for the next round. All right, y'all, check it out. Let's see if I can turn this without burning myself. But here it is. My opinion, being that they had this plastic bag on here, I don't really like that, but ooh, look, you can see that? A little juicy. But I'm gonna also cut it open in a few minutes, and so you can get an inside peek of it also. But there it is. So you can cook. And then I did change the degree temperature. I put it at 400 instead of the 350. I put it at 400, and then that actually did some, but this was all air fried. So I'm gonna cut it open. Give me a second. Let me bring it back to you. Check it out. See, I went ahead and cut it open so that way you can see the inside. There you go. See the inside? It's nice and cooked. See that? Nice and cooked. I'm trying to get the glare off of there. Nice and cooked for you. Got me a little piece right here. Juicy. Oh, wait a minute. And then on the top of that, these little whole chickens in a bag was already pre-seasoned, so yeah, and it tastes good. So there it is. Now, basically what I'm finna do with this chicken, I'm finna shred it, rip it apart. I'm finna add it to, see in the background over there, I got a pan. I'm making chicken pot pie. So I'm finna add it in there. And we're good to go. See that? Yeah. Oh yeah, see that? Put the crust on top. Add my crust. Cook. Let's see. Put that bad boy on bake. 15 minutes. Alrighty, it beeped. I'm finna take it out. See what this crust looks like.
There are thousands of them, and only one of you. You can't fight as well as they can, but you can think better than anyone. You're here because of the
Bad boy is hot. Knob. Since I done cooked that whole chicken and used it to make this pot pie, then these knobs, hot. Very hot. Alright. There it is. Wait, can we see that? Can y'all see that? There it is, my chicken pot pie. Brown crust. We're gonna dig in, have our dinner, watch these Game of Thrones, and thank y'all. So, once again, thank you for watching. Just remember, I'm not a chef. I just cook and eat. Bye.